Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a Christmas inspired baby boomer nail design using totally dipped dip powders and some diamond dust glitter. So let's get right into the video. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of totally dipped clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. So starting on the pinky nail, I apply a thin layer of base to the whole nail and then I poured the nude dip powder on my nails. I did 3 layers of this. Now this nude dip powder is called Cherael, and I've said this before and I'll say it again, I love this nude dip powder. It's presently out of stock and I'm anxiously awaiting its return because mine is almost finished. Now on the middle finger I did about 3 or 4 layers of the milky white dip powder. So in a container, I mix some of the milky white dip powder and some of my diamond dust glitter to get a shimmery milky white dip powder. Now on the ring finger, I apply base and then I poured the mixture on my nail. Then I'm going to be doing an ombre nail with the Cherael and the mixture. I did 3 layers of that, but I only showed 2 layers. I also did the same for my index finger as well. So I'll let you guys watch what I'm doing and I'll be back shortly. But if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. So as you can see, there's not much of my nude dip powder left. I'm so sad. Then I encapsulated the nails with some Totally Dip clear dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nails, but I only showed one layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails, and if you'd like to see my filing routine, I'll link to that video in the cards. Now I apply matte Model 1's gel top coat to my pinky and middle finger and shiny top coat to my ring and index finger, and I cure it for 30 seconds. Now, using my Model 1's white gel polish, I'm going to be doing a sweater nail. I also have a video where I did 2 sweater nails. I'll leave a link in the cards to that video. So I'll just leave you guys to watch what I'm doing, and I'll be back shortly. Now I pour some of my diamond dust glitter on the nail, and then I cure it for 30 seconds. Then I dusted off the excess, and this is how it looks. Now on the pinky nail, I'll be doing a snowflake design. So this one was a bit difficult to do on camera, so I wasn't fully in frame, but I hope you'd still understand what I'm doing. Then I poured the diamond dust glitter and I cured for 30 seconds. So when the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you would see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!